Hey everyone! Welcome to our awesome vehicle puzzle challenge. Let's get zooming.
Vroom vroom! Can you spot all three of our speedy motorcycle friends on the road? Whoa! Everything turned into shadows. And look, a big yellow bulldozer is rolling by.
That's a hard-working digger, kids. He loves moving dirt to help us build big things. Time for a matching game. We need to find the right parts for our brave police motorcycle silhouettes.
Go! I think the giant tractor wheel goes on the police bike. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try. But let's look closer. Which piece actually fits our police friend perfectly? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag the correct piece. 3, 2, 1, go!
Click! That part fits like a glove. Our motorcycle is looking sharp and ready for patrol.
Great focus! Now let's find the missing handlebars for the blue motorcycle. Can you find them? Ting! You did it! Look at all those hearts and confetti, celebrating your amazing puzzle skills!
Boom! You're a total puzzle master! High five, everyone!
You were incredible today! Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Today we're helping our brave police car buddy get ready for patrol.
Whoa! Did you see that bird fly by? Something mysterious is happening to our car.
The pieces are all scrambled! Can you help us put our brave friend back together?
3, 2,
1, go! Oh no, that door doesn't fit there, silly me.
No! God!
Yes, that piece clicks perfectly into place. Great job spotting that. Everyone?
Yay!
Watch closely now. We need to find the right spot for this shiny siren.
No!
Boom! The last wheel is on! Look at those fireworks. Our police friend looks amazing.
Master. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big mission. Hi everyone! Welcome to our big building adventure. Look at that shiny purple excavator rolling onto the scene. Vroom vroom!
Wow, look at all those shadows. Is that a giant robot dinosaur? I think it's a T-Rex.
Haha, not quite. Those are 3 hard-working diggers waiting for their parts. Let's help them get ready for work. Can you spot the missing arm for our yellow digger? Point your finger at the screen if you see it. Click!
I found a piece. It looks like a giant yellow lemon. Wait, that's definitely a shovel bucket, right?
Exactly! That big bucket helps our digger friend move piles of dirt. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3! Everything is coming together perfectly. Look how fast those tracks are spinning! Zoom, zoom! We are almost finished. Grab that last engine cover and pop it into place. Snap!
I'm putting on the wheels now. Watch me go. Watch me go. Are they spinning fast enough?
You are doing such a fantastic job, team! Just a few more bolts to tighten. Almost there! Ta-da! Look at them go! All 3 excavators are ready for the construction site. Boom! Fireworks for everyone!
That was amazing! You guys are master builders. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Superstars.
Hey there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars. Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue, or maybe green.
Not quite silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, everyone! The checkered flags are waving, and our super cool racetrack is finally ready.
Whoa! Check out these awesome character bikes. Thanos and Hulk are looking ready to zoom. Vroom vroom!
That Lamborghini just filled the whole track with smoke. Can you still see the bikes through the fog?
Hey, little kitty, you look just as confused as I am. What are you doing in the middle of our race?
Time for a challenge! Look closely at these silhouettes and tell me, which part belongs to which rider?
Oops! That didn't fit! Even Chris Tucker knows that piece definitely doesn't belong to Venom's bike.
Gru is here to save the day. Let's slide that purple piece right onto Thanos' ride. Click! Perfect match! Look at them go! You are doing an amazing job solving these puzzles. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And ready to roar! Great job today, team! You're all absolute puzzle champions! Vroom vroom! Look at our brave police car friend cruising down the road today! Oh no! A big crash! Our poor little pink friend is so sad. We need to help fix the car! Time for a puzzle challenge! Can you help us find where these pieces belong?
Maybe this square piece goes right here? Whoops! That doesn't fit at all!
Keep trying. Look closely at the shapes. Does that edge match the silhouette? Focus! Focus! Let's rotate it just a little bit more.
I bet it goes in this spot. No? Okay, let's try the other one.
Click yes! We got the main body in. That's a huge step forward.
Who is that visiting our workshop? What a surprising guest.
Wait.
Woof! Even the puppy wants to help us finish our police buddy today. Don't feel sad, little emoji. We are getting so close to the finish line. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Almost there. Just a couple more clicks and we're done.
Meow! Even the kitty thinks we are doing a great job. Look at it glow! Our brave police car is back on duty and ready to roll. You did it, Super Puzzlers! Give yourselves a huge high five for being so smart today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready to build big machines with us today? Let's go!
Whoa! Look at all these heavy-duty machines rolling in! Vroom vroom!
Hold on to your hats, everyone. Everything is going kaboom!
Huh? Wait, did that cat just jump through a laser beam? That's totally wacky!
It's puzzle time! Can you help our hardworking digger find its missing scoop? Point to the right one!
Maybe it uses a giant spoon? No, just kidding. Let's drag that piece into the silhouette.
You did it! High five! Look at those happy faces celebrating our success. Click, snap! Everything is falling perfectly into place. You guys are super builders.
Hey, why is that spooky clown hiding behind the cement mixer? Shoo, go away! We're busy matching parts!
Groove is here to celebrate. We finished all the vehicles. You're all master puzzle champions.
Smash that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time, team.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we are matching mighty military machines to their secret shadows.
Vroom! Is that a giant space rocket? I bet it's a rocket, right?
Look at those fluffy huskies watching us. Can you point to the matching silhouette on the road?
2, 1, go!
I think the big missile launcher goes there. Or maybe it's the bridge builder.
Military transport truck.
Let's see if your choice
Military
lights up
transport
with a
truck.
green yes.
This is a military transport
Click the
truck.
screen if
It
you
carries
think it's a
soldiers, food, and
match.
equipment to different places. The truck is strong and built to handle tough roads.
You got
It helps support
That's
the
a
army during
perfect
missions.
fit. Great job, team.
Amphibious
Wow.
bridging vehicle.
Look at that amphibious vehicle splash into
Amphibious
the river.
bridging
It's
vehicle.
like a boat
This
on
is an
wheels.
amphibious bridging vehicle. It is used to build floating bridges across rivers and water areas.
It's literally
The
driving
vehicle
on
can
water.
move on
That
land
is
and
so
float on
cool.
water.
I want
It
one
helps
for my
troops and
bathtub.
vehicles cross safely during military missions.
No, 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 no.
We have 2 more shadows left. Can you count them with me? 1, 2.
Launch vehicle. Launch vehicle.
I see the
This is a launch
vehicle.
vehicle.
hiding.
It is
Let's
used to
slide
carry
it into
space
place.
rockets and
3,
send them into
2,
orbit.
1.
The vehicle has powerful engines that push the rocket high into the sky. It plays an important role in space missions like launch.
The missile launcher is
Missile
ready
launcher.
for action. Look at it go in the field.
Missile launcher. This is a missile launcher. It is a system used to fire guided
Mission
missiles at
accomplished.
targets.
You all are
Some are on
total
trucks,
puzzle masters.
while others are
Smash
set up on
that
the ground.
subscribe button
They
for
are
more
used for
fun.
defense and long-range attacks.
You did amazing today. Give yourselves a huge high five. See you next time. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Ready to fix some big machines with us today.
Oh no! Our hardworking digger friend is broken and sad. Can we help him?
Don't worry, little
Why are you
ones.
crying?
We have our robot friend ready to jump into action. Time to build. Can you point at the screen and help the robot find the tracks? Click.
I think the tracks go on the roof. Am I doing it right?
Not quite, silly. Tracks go on the bottom to help our digger roll. Vroom!
Put me down.
Now, let's attach that big, strong arm. 3, 2, 1, snap! Perfect fit!
Look at him go! You did amazing, team! Let's celebrate with a big high five and a blast of fireworks. Boom!
Hey, Puzzle Pals! Welcome to the Road Trip Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to roll?
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Our white truck just did a silly jump.
Even our puppy friend is scratching his head. Can you help us figure out this truck mystery? Vroom, vroom! Let's flip these trucks into their perfect spots. Just like a giant sliding puzzle.
Go!
Look, a green helper. Wait, is he telling us no entry? Maybe that truck goes somewhere else.
Uh-oh, the green guy looks a bit grumpy. Try again, friend. That piece doesn't fit there.
Ting! You did it. All the trucks are lined up perfectly. Great counting, everyone. Hooray! Confetti everywhere. You solved the puzzle like total pros. See you next time, Puzzle Superstars. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Welcome to our big construction adventure. Are you ready to build?
Whoa, look at that cement mixer and bulldozer go. Vroom, vroom. Watch out for that road.
Oh no, the road cracked. Poor Kitty is so sad to see them fall. We have to help them. Don't worry, friends. We can use our puzzle magic to fix them. Can you spot the missing pieces?
I think the big tire goes on the roof. Am I right?
Haha, not quite silly. The tires belong at the bottom to help our hard-working digger roll along. Try again. Click. That bucket fits perfectly on the arm. You're doing great. Keep going.
Oh my God!
Let's find the cabin for our mighty truck. Use your finger to point to the right shape on your screen.
Amazing!
Look at that. We're putting the final pieces in place. 3, 2, 1, snap!
Nice.
Ting! See them glow? That means our construction team is ready to get back to work.
Oh my God!
Yay!
We did it! All the vehicles are fixed and happy. You are a puzzle superstar. Don't forget to like and follow for more fun.
Oh my God!
Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready to help our construction team find their homes? Let's go!
I see 4 empty spots. Maybe I should try putting the crane in the cement mixer spot. Vroom!
Oh, silly! Let's find the right match together, everyone! First, our spinning cement mixer rolls right into place. Click! That fits perfectly! Next comes the tall crane, the road roller, and our hardworking digger friend. They're all home!
Wow, look at them glow! It's like a construction party, Ting-a-ling.
You did it, Puzzle Masters! High-five the screen, everybody! Look at that strong excavator. He digs deep to help build big, beautiful buildings. And there is the smooth road roller, making the ground nice and flat for us to drive on. Up, up, and away goes our crane. He's reaching for the clouds today. Don't forget our spinning cement mixer. He's always ready to mix, fix, fix.
Boom! Fireworks for our amazing team. You solved the puzzle perfectly, construction heroes.
Welcome to our big construction adventure. Let's explore this beautiful sunny valley together.
Wow, check out that giant mixer. Is it going to bake a cake, host A?
Haha, not quite. That mixer helps us build strong houses, silly.
Boom! Pop! Look at all that colorful confetti showering our hard-working construction crew.
It's puzzle time. Can you help us find the missing parts for our mighty friends?
Think the big shovel goes on the dump truck. Wait, no, that's not right, is it?
Go!
You're getting closer. The shovel belongs to our strong digger friend. Let's try again. Vroom, vroom. Here is the concrete mixer truck, ready to swirl and pour concrete for us. Watch that digger work. He is scooping up all that dirt to fill the dump truck. So strong.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
It's snowy out there, but our digger friend is using his log grapple to move heavy trees. Amazing!
Excavator log grapple.
Excavator log grapple.
Clang! Bang! They are working so hard at the quarry today. Can you count the trucks with me? 1, 2.
Excavator.
Excavator.
We did it! You are a puzzle superstar. Let's celebrate with fireworks. Pop, pop, hooray! Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big vehicle building adventure today.
Vroom! Look at that yellow truck go. He loves keeping our park clean.
Can you spot the difference? Which one is the garbage truck? And which is the tanker?
I bet the tanker truck is the one with the big round belly. Am I right?
Close, but let's build our jolly garbage truck friend first. Drag that chassis into place. Click. That piece fits like a glove. You're doing great. Keep going. Time for the wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Almost there. Just a few more snaps to finish our yellow buddy.
Ta-da! Look at that magical sparkle. He's ready to roll. Beep, beep. Now we have a green garbage truck. Let's find where this heavy cabin goes.
grab your virtual wrench. Let's tighten those bolts together. Click, click, click.
This yellow tanker truck is huge! Help me slide the main tank into the silhouette. Great focus! You are a master mechanic. Just a little bit more to the left. Wow, they look amazing all together! Happy New Year, trucks! You all did a fantastic job today, superstars! Whoa! Buckle up, puzzle explorers! The engine is roaring to life!
Vroom, vroom. Check out these cool monster trucks. Ready for action.
Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 awesome trucks on the track.
Boo! A spooky ghost just popped in to say hello. Did you see him?
Oh no, our trucks turned into shadows, and this little friend is sad. Let's cheer him up. Ha ha! Look, he's laughing now. Great job helping him smile again. Time to be detectives. Can you point to where the pumpkin truck's tire belongs?
This puzzle is tricky, but I think the blue piece goes right. Here, wait, is that right?
Don't worry, keep trying. Focus on the shapes. You're doing fantastic. Super sleuths. Almost there. Just one more piece to snap into place. Click. You've got this.
No. Wait. Wait.
Ta-da! You did it! Look at all these fluffy kittens celebrating your victory. You're a puzzle master! Hey everyone, get ready! Our hard-working digger friend is rolling in to start the fun!
Vroom, vroom! Look at that bright yellow paint shine. It's ready to scoop up some adventure.
Oh no! Where did the pieces go? Everything turned into a shadowy silhouette!
Maybe the digger is playing hide and seek? I bet he's hiding under the couch.
Not quite, silly. We need to find the missing parts to build our strong friend. Point to the bucket. Click! That piece fits perfectly. Now let's find the heavy tracks to help him move. I see a big arm. Can you count the gears with me? 1, 2, 3. Snap it in place.
Almost there. Just one more piece for the cabin. 3, 2, 1. Pop it in!
Ta-da! He is fully assembled and looking strong. Happy New Year, little digger!
You guys are puzzle masters. Let's give a huge round of applause for a job well done.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, we are on a mission to fix these super cool construction vehicles.
Whoa! Did those construction trucks turn into shadows? What? Poof! Where did they go?
Don't worry, they are just hiding. Can you spot the missing parts hanging up there in the trees?
2, 1! I see a giant scoop. That must belong to our hard-working digger, right?
Exactly. Let's count to 2 and snap it into place. 1, 2, click! Yay! You matched it perfectly! Let's give our screen a big round of applause. Look at the steamroller! It needs a heavy roller to flatten the ground. Can you point to it?
Beep, beep. The crane is looking much stronger now that we added its long arm.
You are doing amazing! Only a few more pieces left to make these vehicles ready for duty.
Vroom, vroom. Our forklift is fully assembled and ready to lift heavy boxes.
High five to everyone playing along! We are building a whole construction team today. Woohoo! Everything is complete. Confetti everywhere. You kids are the best puzzle masters ever. See you next time.